Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
男
the symbol of man and masculinity. Let's learn. Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
男
7 strokes to define male.
竖横折横竖横横折钩撇男
Means man or male. Use it in words like
男人
man,
男孩
boy. Now that you know how to write,
男
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Section 2. Common words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
男朋友
Boyfriend,
男生
male or boy. Section 3. Example sentences. Example sentences.
他是我的男朋友
He is my boyfriend.
这个男孩很聪明
This boy is very smart. Section 4. Fun fact. Did you know the character
男
combines
田
field and
力
strength? In ancient times, men were often responsible for labor-intensive farming, so the character symbolized strength in the fields, a nod to traditional gender roles. Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. How do you say boyfriend in Chinese using that? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.